If you are someone who is having hard time to install TensorFlow GPU on Windows because of mismatched CUDA and cuDNN and whatnot, then this video tutorial is for you. What if I told you that it is possible to install CUDA, cuDNN and TensorFlow GPU on Windows 10 with just 2 commands, and that too within 90 seconds. Let's put the clock on the screen and get started. First of all, install Anaconda. I am assuming that updated NVIDIA driver is installed in your system. You will also need to install Visual C++ redistributables. Link is in the description. Go to the official website of TensorFlow and check which Python versions does it support. It supports version 3.6 to 3.8. Open up Anaconda prompt as administrator and create a virtual environment with Python version 3.8. Activate that environment. On the same TensorFlow page, you will see supported versions of CUDA and cuDNN. Get back to the Anaconda prompt and type command conda install CUDA toolkit equals and the version you just saw on the TensorFlow official page, which is 11.0 in this case, and cuDNN equals 8.0 minus C equals conda-forge. Hit enter, hit Y, wait for it to finish. Once done, execute command pip install -- upgrade TensorFlow GPU equals 2.4.1, which is the latest version at the time of making this video. Hit enter, wait for it to install. Once done, import TensorFlow and check if it detects GPU. It is available and its name is GTX 1060. I will see you in the next one.